Namaskar. Today I am going to show you something. Here is normal filtered water. I want to test its pH level, alkaline or acidic level. And so here is this tester where I can put few drops here. And let us see the color of this water. Fine. So here is the bottled water. I want to test, so I am putting it in the glass. And now I am putting drops here also. 1, 2. Now let us see the color. Okay. Now let's check. What is it? So this pH, the color is bluish. There it is. So it says it is alkaline. And this, the color is little bit yellowish, you can see, and this shows it is acidic water. So now I want to just tell you that as far as possible we should be using our home water. You should always carry water from your own home wherever you go out. But in case if you have to drink water, then once in a while it is okay, because for health it's the alkaline water which is required in our body. So now if you want to make it more alkaline, I'll show you some 3 recipes which will make your water more alkaline. Well, regularly drinking acidic water is really harmful for our health, because lots of inflammation takes place in our body and so many diseases would be sprouting. It is the root cause of so many problems. So we should sincerely see that we are drinking more alkaline water than acidic water. Nature has already given us one ready-made alkaline water, fresh coconut water. It naturally has slightly alkaline pH and is very suitable for our climate. Taken mid-morning or early evening, it cools the system and supports hydration beautifully. Along with it, we can prepare simple alkaline infused waters at home. One is watermelon and basil water. Take 1 liter of water and 2 cups of cubed watermelon and handful of gently crushed basil leaves, and let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. Watermelon contains alkaline mineral and antioxidants like lycopene, which help reduce inflammation and protect the cells. Basil has a calming effect on the nervous system and helps reduce stress-related acidity. Another very suitable option for our Indian climate is cucumber and coriander water. Slice half a cucumber, chop a handful of fresh coriander and add both to 1 liter of water. When soaked for a few hours, this water becomes cooling and refreshing. Cucumber supports kidney function and hydration, while coriander provides minerals like potassium, calcium and magnesium that helps balance internal pH. When digestion feels slow or heavy, pineapple and mint water works really well. Add a quarter of a fresh pineapple sliced to 1 liter of water along with handful of crushed mint leaves. Pineapple contains bromelain, which supports digestion and reduce inflammation. Mint helps flush toxins and reduce water retention. Any one of these waters can be sipped throughout the day after proper infusion. But how you drink matters just as much as what you drink. It should always be at room temperature, never chilled. Sip slowly, do not gulp. The best time are early morning or between meals, not during meals. Follow this for 30 days, then allow the body to work naturally again. Alkaline water is a support, not a lifelong dependency. Let us understand better why we need to drink alkaline water. Our regular drinking water contains dissolved minerals and gases like carbon dioxide, which forms carbonic acid, and sometimes it has substances like chlorine and fluoride that can increase acidity. Another thing is that our blood pH remains very tightly regulated between about 7.35 and 7.45. The body will protect this balance at all cost, but burden of neutralizing excess acid shows up elsewhere through urine, digestion, muscles, joints, skin, and overall energy levels. Ayurveda describes this condition as aggravated pitta. Too much internal heat, sharpness, and dryness in the system. Over time, if this imbalance continues, the body starts borrowing minerals like calcium and magnesium from bones and tissues to buffer acidity. This is why long-term acidity does not remain limited to the stomach alone. So what is the role of alkaline water here? Alkaline water does not change your blood pH. Alkaline water is water that is less acidic because it has pH level higher than regular tap water. Its role is to reduce excess acid load, support digestion and elimination, cool aggravated pitta, and improve hydration. How will this water improve your health? Alkaline water can help neutralize excess acid and support conditions like acid reflux, which tends to worsen in acidic environment because it often contains minerals such as calcium, magnesium. It can support bone health and immune function. It is also seen that better hydration helps support nutrients absorption and cellular repair. What we must also understand is its limitations. Drinking too much alkaline water can disturb your body's natural balance and may lead to alkalosis, where symptoms like headache, nausea, or confusion can occur. This is why moderation is essential. And alkaline water should generally not exceed about 2 liters a day. People with the kidney diseases should avoid regular use as it can strain your kidneys. I always remind my students that water alone cannot correct imbalance in body. Along with alkaline water, fresh home cooked food, timely meals, walking after eating, simple asanas like Yogendra Pavan Muktasan, and sleeping before 11 at night plays such an important role. Your body is not demanding luxury or extremes. It is asking for alignment with nature. And when we support the body gently, it supports us generously. Namaskar.